Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. Well, I never thought I'd say this, but I think I actually found a pool vacuum that is as good, if not better, than my all-time favorite, the Barracuda G3. And in this episode, I'm going to show you why this may be the new champ. So let's dive right in. Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my website, poolschooler.com. So as I said, my favorite stay-in-the-pool suction side vacuum has always been the Zodiac Barracuda G3. And with a price tag of about $350, it's not a bad deal compared to a lot of the other vacuums on the market. And as far as the way it works, I love the way it works. I love its functionality, its durability, and also the fact that it's so easy to repair. There's only one moving part in it, which is the diaphragm. Well, all that changed when I came across a new vacuum that is built on the same framework, if you will, as the Barracuda G3. Same principles, same products, the parts are interchangeable. But the one thing that this product really had going for it was the price. So let me introduce you to this new vacuum. So here it is, folks. This is the Vingley stay-in-the-pool suction side vacuum. Again, it's based on the same working principles of the Barracuda G3. And it basically, this is what it looks like. This is they did an upgrade on this one. They went for a different color. There's a couple different models that are different colors. But the base product, the cheapest one, is basically a darker blue than this. But again, it comes with the body, and there's the foot pad and base plate already built into it. And it also comes with an extra diaphragm, which is nice, and a ring, the ring for the ladder ring. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. You can have to play with that to make sure it doesn't hang up on your steps, but if it does, just take the ring off. And then it comes with the fin disc as well. And it comes with an ample amount of hoses. I think it's 30 feet of hoses, so you're in good shape with that as well. So I'll put it together and show you what it looks like. So there it is, folks. I put it together, and again, the only thing I really had to attach was the fin disc. And this foot pad may look a little different than the foot pad for the Barracuda, but they are interchangeable. When this one wears out, you can just get the standard foot pad for the Barracuda. The fin disc, same as the Barracuda. The diaphragm, same as the Barracuda G3. And then the top ladder ring, again, this is there to prevent it from getting hung up on a ladder, but sometimes because of steps in the pool, it can get hung up on the steps. So I always install it with the ladder ring on, and then if it does seem to start hanging up on a step, then what I do is I'll take that off and just won't use it without it. We'll use it without it. So let's get this installed in the pool. It's the same way that it installs in the Barracuda G3. So we'll just put it in and we'll see how it goes. So there it is, folks. It's in and it's working like a charm. I used 6 of the hoses that it came with, or the hose lengths, and there's 4 extra there, and I just put those in my client's shed so that they can use them when replace ones that crack, because they will crack in the sunlight and the corrosive chlorine. But the vacuum's working great. You notice that ladder guard is not getting it hung up on that step, so it's moving around pretty good. And I think that's about as far as long as I need the hose to be. And we'll see how it works, but I think we're in business. And like I said, just as good as the Barracuda G3. And now here's the big kicker, the price. So as I said earlier, the typical price of the Barracuda G3 runs about $350 to $370 online. You might be able to get it cheaper over certain deals, certain clearance deals that they have, or certain specials that they may offer once in a while. But here's the thing about the Vingley. The Vingley goes for $99.99. So that's $100 for the base model. And again, the only difference between the base model and the other models are the colors. If you want the lighter blue like this one, because it comes in a standard dark blue, but if you want the lighter blue or like a gray, I think you pay $10 to $20 more for that. For $100 to $120, that's a pretty doggone good deal. Now I've got pools that have this Vingley in there, and they've had them in for 3 or 4 years, and they're working like a charm. No problems except the diaphragm needing to be replaced, or the foot pad once in a while, or the fin disc, just like the Barracuda G3. So for the money and for the fact that it works just as good as the Barracuda, I'd have to say the Vingley is my champ because it works as good as the Barracuda G3. But for the price, man, you could buy 3 of these before you buy 1 Barracuda and still have money left. So there you go. So there you have it, folks. That is my video on what I believe is the new semi-champ of the stay in the pool suction side vacuums. The reason I say semi is because I still think the Barracuda G3 is a great product, especially because they have product brand recognition and reputation. It's a quality product. But if you are looking for something that is budget friendly, that works on the same platform as the Barracuda G3, and pretty much from what I've seen lasts as long, it's hard to beat the Vingley. So I would say in the budget category for stay in the pool suction side vacuums, it is the champ by far. I will also put a link in the description below this video in case you want to purchase one. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to be safe, have fun, and always watch those kids and elderly folks and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.